Namaskar. Today I'm going to talk about leaf. What leaf is that? It's betel leaf. Okay. Nowadays we don't use this. Hardly, yeah. Maybe in certain places they are still using this. What is this betel leaf? How to eat this? Just need to fold it and chew it. Okay. The benefits, which is high in vitamin C, will control your cholesterol level, bad cholesterol. There are in our body there's bad cholesterol and good cholesterol, where this thing will helpful to eliminate your bad cholesterol. Okay, and also control your weight long run. You have to take this every day once, at least once. And there are much more benefits which you can Google and find out. This is really an awesome leaf which nowadays we don't use this. Okay, for me I believe, like, every house they should have this plant. It's not only for health, for also for our auspicious, for prayers and all, many things, can name it. So hope you'll try this after doing, or after your asana, after your meditation. You can take some turmeric water along with this every day. One is good enough. Try this out and see the difference. Have a nice day.